mistake I see a lot of people make when they connect supply lines to shutoffs. The most common thing I see is people using Teflon tape on this thread. Teflon tape is not required because it is a compression joint. You can see the inside of the shutoff is flared, as well as the supply line has a gasket that seats on top. When installing a Moen shower valve, if you're not sure which is on and which is off before you turn the water on, there's a small notch on it, and the notch goes down. Thanks. Follow. If you're not getting enough hot water at the shower, watch this first before you call a plumber. First, remove the handle, and what you'll find inside is a tempering device, which is a fancy way of saying it stops the handle from going all the way. Almost every shower valve has one of these, and when we install them, we usually, or I at least, set them so the handle will go all the way hot. So you can see here this white piece of plastic. If I would just move it to one side, what it's going to do is it's going to stop the handle from going all the way to the hot. And it's a